the world was teetering on the brink of transformation. Amidst the burgeoning age of machines and the whispers of industrial revolution, a dream began to take shape in the mind of a young mechanic named Henry Ford. Little did he know that his vision would not only revolutionize the automobile industry but also forever change the fabric of society. This is the story of the Ford Motor Company, a tale of innovation, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of progress. Henry Ford was born in 1863 on a farm in Dearborn, Michigan. From a young age, he displayed a keen interest in machinery and how things worked. At 15, he dismantled and reassembled a pocket watch, setting the stage for a lifelong fascination with mechanics. After working as an engineer for the Edison Illuminating Company, Ford's innovative mind led him to pursue a dream that seemed audacious at the time: building a motor vehicle affordable to the masses. In 1896, Henry Ford constructed his first vehicle, the quadricycle. It was a simple machine, powered by a small gasoline engine, and it represented the culmination of years of tinkering and experimentation. The success of the quadricycle fueled Ford's ambition, and in 1903, with the backing of 12 investors, he established the Ford Motor Company. Ford's early vehicles were luxurious and expensive, accessible only to the wealthy. However, his vision was to create a car that everyone could afford. This dream materialized in 1908 with the introduction of the Model T, priced at $850. It was significantly cheaper than other cars on the market, but it was still out of reach for many. Ford's solution was as innovative as it was transformative: the assembly line. By implementing assembly line production in 1913, Ford revolutionized manufacturing. This method drastically reduced the time it took to build a car, slashing production costs and allowing Ford to lower the price of the Model T. By 1925, the cost of a Model T had dropped to $260, making it affordable for the average American. The car became a symbol of freedom and mobility, and by the time production ended in 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been sold. The success of the Model T catapulted Ford Motor Company to the forefront of the automobile industry. Henry Ford's insistence on paying his workers a fair wage, most notably with the introduction of the $5 workday in 1914, not only attracted skilled labor but also enabled his employees to become customers. This move helped to build a loyal and motivated workforce and contributed to the burgeoning middle class. Ford's influence extended beyond the United States. The company established manufacturing plants in Canada, Europe, and eventually around the world. Ford vehicles became a global phenomenon, symbolizing American ingenuity and the promise of modernity. The company's expansion laid the groundwork for a vast industrial empire, with Ford's name becoming synonymous with innovation and quality. Henry Ford's legacy is not just about cars, it's about transforming society. The principles he championed, affordability, innovation, and social responsibility, continue to guide Ford Motor Company. The company's commitment to sustainability, diversity, and community engagement reflects the values that have defined it for over a century. Ford's story is one of resilience and adaptability. From the Model T to the Mustang, from the assembly line to the electric vehicle revolution, Ford has remained at the forefront of the automobile industry. The company's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring spirit of human ingenuity. The tale of Ford Motor Company is far from over. As the company continues to drive forward, embracing new technologies and tackling global challenges, we can only imagine what the future holds. Stay tuned for more stories of innovation and inspiration. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging stories. Let's dive into the future together.